to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Telegram stars. All you just have to do is to go to my video description, follow the link, and you can be able to come to this platform. This platform is called Measure. Now this Measure, in this Measure app, or you can get Telegram stars from this Measure app, and you can know that this app is being sponsored by Ton Blockchain. So let me show you how the app function. So when you open the app, you are going to see this. This is what you are going to see on the first screen. So you're going to see this. You're going to see your rank. You can see my rank here. You can see the rank of other people. So from here you can also earn some ton. You can see some people that have earned 20 ton, 50 ton. You can see 20 ton, 5 ton. You can see all these people here, they have been earning ton. You can see 5 ton, like that. So you just go to earn. When you go to earn, there are some tasks you need to perform on the earn. So make sure you perform the tasks and then you spin. You can see I'm not supposed to spin at this moment, so for you that is joining, you just spin and you can win one of these lucky coin over here. Then make sure you perform the tasks down here. Make sure you perform the tasks. So the more you perform the tasks, the more stars you earn. Now this is Telegram stars. You can convert these Telegram stars to ton tokens. You can convert these Telegram stars to a lot of things in the future. You can use it to send gifts. You can use it to do a lot of things. So the same way you have Facebook stars, it's the same way we are going to have Telegram stars. So make sure you start getting these stars now. Go to my video description, click on the link. It's going to take you to your Telegram app, and then you can be able to get these stars for free. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. So make sure you subscribe so that next time when I post another video, you will be able to get the notification.